For centuries, humanity has dreamt of intelligent machines. We've been captivated by stories of mechanical beings, from ancient myths to modern science fiction. Now that dream is becoming a reality. The field of robotics is advancing at an unprecedented pace, with new breakthroughs emerging every day. We stand on the cusp of a new era, one where robots will play an increasingly prominent role in our lives. This isn't just about automation in factories or self-driving cars. We're talking about sophisticated humanoid robots capable of interacting with the world in ways previously unimaginable. Robots that can walk, talk, learn, and even think for themselves. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the future knocking at our door. And leading the charge in this robotic revolution is a company you might not expect. Agibot, a rising star from China. In the world of technology, China has rapidly established itself as a force to be reckoned with. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, Chinese companies are making their mark on the global stage. And now, with Agibot, they're setting their sights on robotics. Founded in 2023 by Peng Zhihui, a former prodigy at tech giant Huawei, Agibot is on a mission to bring humanoid robots to the masses. What sets Agibot apart is their aggressive approach to mass production. While other companies are still in the research and development phase, Agibot is already churning out robots at an impressive rate. Their goal? To have 1,000 humanoid robots operational by the end of 2024. This ambitious target underscores their commitment to making robots commonplace, not just a futuristic fantasy. Agibot isn't just building robots, they're building a robotic workforce. The rise of Agibot signifies a larger trend, the shifting landscape of the global robotics industry. For years, the United States has been considered the leader in robotics innovation. Companies like Boston Dynamics, with their awe-inspiring and slightly terrifying robots, have captured the world's imagination. But China is catching up, and in some areas, even surpassing the US. While American companies excel in areas like advanced algorithms and sophisticated software, China has a different set of strengths. China's prowess in manufacturing, coupled with their vast pool of engineering talent, gives them a significant edge in mass production. Furthermore, the Chinese government's strong support for robotics development has created a fertile ground for companies like Agibot to flourish. This isn't to say that one country is inherently better than the other. It's more about different approaches and areas of focus. The US excels in pushing the boundaries of what's possible, while China focuses on making those possibilities practical and accessible. This dynamic creates a fascinating rivalry, one that will ultimately benefit the field of robotics as a whole. Yuanzheng A2, Agibot's answer to Tesla's Optimus. Agibot's flagship product is the Yuanzheng A2, a humanoid robot designed to be both powerful and versatile. The A2 is more than just a machine, it's a statement. It represents Agibot's ambition to compete head-to-head with the biggest names in robotics, including Elon Musk's Tesla and their much-hyped Optimus robot. The Yuanzheng A2 boasts an impressive array of capabilities. It can walk, climb stairs, manipulate objects, and even perform delicate tasks like picking up a single grain of rice. Its advanced sensors and AI systems allow it to navigate complex environments and interact with humans safely. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about the A2 is its price tag, significantly lower than competing robots on the market. This combination of affordability and capability is what makes the Yuanzheng A2 such a game-changer. It has the potential to disrupt the robotics industry, making humanoid robots accessible to a much wider range of industries and applications. No longer will advanced robots be limited to research labs and science fiction movies. Agibot is bringing them into our homes, our workplaces, and our everyday lives. The data advantage: Agibot's secret weapon. One of Agibot's key strategies is their focus on data collection and analysis. They've created specialized data collection factories where their robots are constantly learning and improving. These factories are like giant playgrounds for robots where they can practice real-world tasks in a controlled environment. The robots collect vast amounts of data as they interact with their surroundings, and this data is then used to refine their algorithms and improve their performance. This data-driven approach gives Agibot a significant advantage. The more data their robots collect, the better they become at performing their tasks. It's a virtuous cycle of continuous learning and improvement, and because Agibot is already mass-producing robots, they have a head start in collecting this valuable data. A new world order. The implications of Agibot's rise. The emergence of Agibot as a major player in the robotics industry has far-reaching implications. It signals a shift in the balance of power, with China challenging the US's long-held dominance in technological innovation. This competition, while potentially disruptive, is ultimately a good thing. It will drive innovation, lower costs, and accelerate the development of even more advanced robots. But the rise of robots also raises important questions about the future of work, society, and even humanity itself. What happens when robots can perform many of the tasks that humans currently do? How will we adapt to a world where intelligent machines are ubiquitous? These are questions that we, as a society, need to start grappling with now. The robotic revolution is here, and it's time to prepare for the future. The future is automated. What's next for robots? It's impossible to predict the future with certainty, but one thing is clear: robots are here to stay. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated robots capable of performing an ever-widening range of tasks. These robots will transform industries, reshape economies, and challenge our very understanding of what it means to be human. The future of robotics is full of possibilities, both exciting and daunting. It's up to us to ensure that we use this technology responsibly and ethically for the betterment of humanity. The choices we make today will determine the course of this robotic revolution. Will we embrace the potential of robots to improve our lives, or will we succumb to the fear of the unknown? The future is unwritten, and it's up to us to write it together.